Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Acorn TV on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate Acorn TV on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV. Navigate to the App Store from the main menu. In the App Store, select the search option. Type in Acorn TV using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the Acorn TV app, click on it to view more details. Select Get to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Acorn TV app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. On the welcome screen, select the Sign In or Activate option. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the website acorn.tv/activate. Enter the activation code from your Apple TV into the designated field. Click Continue to proceed. You will then be prompted to sign in or create an Acorn TV account. If you have an existing account, enter your credentials to sign in. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create an account. After signing in, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to your Apple TV. The Acorn TV app should now be activated. You can now start enjoying your favorite shows and movies on Acorn TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.